Hello, so today I want to answer the question, can you manifest anything that you want? And the answer is no. You can't manifest anything that you want unless you're really wanting that thing. Okay. And this, I know that there are a lot of perspectives on this, that you can manifest anything and everything, that you can manifest even the trivialist thing. And yes, those things are generally possible and generally true. What I find that really makes the biggest difference is that you are trying to manifest the things that have deep significance to you. Because if this is a soul desire, like if this is something that you feel deep within your being as a desire that you deeply long for, then those things are so much easier to manifest because it has this energetic connection to it. It's like, two magnets that are being pulled together. Okay. So your desire for that thing and the thing become magnetized together. Okay, so if you don't have that desire for that thing, then that magnetization doesn't really occur. Okay, so yeah, can you manifest those things? Maybe. Maybe you can. Maybe you're just lucky to happen to manifest the things that don't really matter. And yay for you that you can do that. I think that's awesome. But I find, again, that it is so much better to strive for the things that you really deeply long for, because really that's why we're here, right? Like, this is what I always say. It's like, why would the universe, why would God, why would that consciousness put those deep desires in you if they weren't meant to be fulfilled, right? Like, that's a pretty cruel joke, to put all these heartfelt, soul-felt, deep desires within you. And we all have different desires, right? We all have incredibly different desires. And how bizarre is that? How unique is that each and every one of us out of the billions of people, right? That we all have different desires. So that has to mean something, right? And so that's what I think is important, to really think about and to try to manifest the things that have significance to you. Because when you do that, when you believe that that is possible, and when you begin to magnetize that desire to you, it is so much stronger than any other desire that you could try to manifest. So I encourage you to approach it that way. Now, again, let's go back to that original question. Can you manifest anything that you want? Sure. I know, I'm contradicting myself now. Yes, you can manifest those things to an extent, and it is possible that you can manifest those things, but it's not always likely, and I wouldn't bank on it. I wouldn't bank on those desires that don't really have any meaning for you. It is possible that because they don't have much meaning for you, that because doesn't matter to you either way, that you're not so hung up on it, that it comes to you a little more freely. That is possible. That is a reality. But again, I think the bigger reality is manifesting what you truly desire. Like, why would you try to manifest things that don't matter to you? Like, that seems so silly to me. Spend your time working on manifesting the things that are significant to you. I mean, think about the time that you have here on this planet, right? In this human body, doing the things that you're doing. And you're not manifesting your deepest desires. You're not manifesting your soul felt desires. Are you just spending your entire life just doing whatever society says and just following along with, well, this is what I should be doing, instead of really listening to your inner desires and the things that mean the most to you? Like, that's why we're here. We're here to manifest those deep desires and to do and experience the things that mean so much to us. And so take that time instead to manifest your deepest desires, and you'll find that that energy that you're creating, that magnetism that you're creating for those desires, you'll find that you will manifest the things that you deeply desire, okay? So yeah, do that instead. All right. Anyway, here's another video on manifestation that I think you would enjoy. Anyway, thank you so very much for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and thank you so very much.